आज का हमारा टॉपिक है इक्विलिब्रियम। Definition of equilibrium is that if the body is at rest or moving with uniform velocity, then it is said to be in the state of equilibrium. Examples of equilibrium is book lying on a table or a car moving with uniform velocity is in the state of equilibrium. Concurrent forces वो forces होती हैं जो एक ही पॉइंट में से पास होते हैं. The forces which pass through one point are called concurrent forces. कोप्लेनर forces वो forces होती हैं जो सेम प्लेन में लाई करती हैं. The forces lying in the same plane are called coplanar forces. First condition of equilibrium is that the sum of the vector sum of all the forces acting on a body must be a null vector, or the sum of the forces acting on a body must be zero. First condition of equilibrium controls the translational equilibrium of a body. The sum of the forces along x component must be zero, and the sum of the forces along y component must be zero. To fulfill the condition, the sum of the all forces must be zero. Second condition of equilibrium controls the rotational equilibrium of a body. Statement of second condition of equilibrium is that the sum of torques acting on a body about a fixed axis must be equal to zero. The sum of the torques acting on a body must be zero. Anti-clockwise torque is equal to sum of clockwise torques. Condition for complete equilibrium. A body will be in the complete equilibrium if both conditions of equilibrium are satisfied. Both linear acceleration and angular acceleration must be zero. First condition is that the sum of the forces acting on a body must be zero, and the sum of the torques acting on a body must be zero. These conditions of equilibrium are applied to the situation in which all the forces are coplanar. Types of equilibrium. There are two types of equilibrium. Static equilibrium: if a body is at rest, then it is said to be in the state of static equilibrium. In static equilibrium, acceleration and velocity must be zero, just as book lying on a table. Dynamic equilibrium: if a body is moving with uniform velocity or rotating with uniform velocity, then the body is in the state of dynamic equilibrium. In the dynamic equilibrium, acceleration is zero, but velocity is not zero. Example of dynamic equilibrium is a car moving with uniform linear velocity or motion of